In the previous lesson, we looked at cross-sectional data. We compared many firms at a single point in time. But financial markets do not stay fixed. They evolve over time, prices change, returns change, and interest rates change. So, in this lesson, we will understand another important type of data that is called time series data. If you observe any stock price, it never stays constant. It moves every day, sometimes gradually, sometimes sharply. This continuous movement is a key feature of financial markets. So here is the question. If a variable keeps changing over time, how do we analyze it? Do we compare different firms or do we track the same variable across different times? This is where time series data comes in. Time series data means observing a variable across different points in time. So instead of comparing firms, we follow how something evolves over time. The idea is simple. We take one entity and observe it again and again over time. Each time point gives us a new observation. Together, these observations form a time series. For example, we can track daily returns of a stock. Each day gives a return. Over weeks, months, and years, we build a sequence of returns, and this sequence is called a time series. Time series data is not limited to stocks. We also study inflation over time and bond yields over time. These variables change continuously, and analyzing them requires time series data. Time series data allows us to study patterns. We may observe trends. We may see cycles. We may notice periods of high and low volatility. These patterns are central to financial analysis. One key difference from cross-sectional data is that time plays a central role here. Each observation is tied to a specific moment. Without time, the data loses its meaning. Financial markets are dynamic systems. They evolve continuously. To understand them, we must study how variables change over time. And this is why time series data is fundamental in finance. Now let's connect this with what we learned earlier. Cross-sectional data compares many firms at one point in time, whereas time series data tracks one variable across times. This distinction is very important in econometrics. Now that we understand cross-sectional and time series data, we can combine both ideas. In the next lesson, we will explore panel data. Panel data includes multiple forms observed across multiple times. Till then, thank you for watching and as always, happy learning.